Hey, did you know that you don't have to struggle to build your first or next business, even if you've tried and failed before? I know it sounds crazy because we're so used to hearing about buying the right books or software, and while that's important, I'm going to share with you 3 secrets today that's going to revolutionize the way you build your business and generate income forever. I'm Noella Charity, and I'm an evangelist, an advocate, an author, and a coach. I've helped thousands of entrepreneurs build their businesses from 0 to 1,000 or more who've never thought that they could, never thought they could get that far. So what's this new approach to business building? It's side-by-side funnel building help. It's putting you in a room with funnel masters and helping you design, build, and launch your sales funnel side by side with expert help. So I'm going to share with you 3 secrets about side by side funnel building help and how you can get your business off the ground making money in a short period of time. And I know what you're probably thinking, but I don't even have a business idea yet. Don't worry. I'm going to show you a great way to find an idea or even show you affiliate products that you can use to make money fast and get amazing results. So the first secret is this hands-on workshop style support. It will vastly increase your rate of success. The big idea here is books and videos and software, it can only take you so far. This is important because having someone next to you, guiding you and ensuring that when you get stuck, you don't stay stuck long, this is critical to your success. The second secret is people who have hands-on one-on-one support find success earlier and with better results than those who go it alone. The main thing to understand here is that when people get stuck, and more often than not, once they get stuck, they never continue. This means that many of our hackers tell us, I could never have built this funnel without your help. They struggled on their own and found that help from the experts in a live session made their funnels a reality. You can join monthly or weekly funnel hacks and get the support you need to launch your business and start making money. The third secret is that having a tribe of people that care about your success and helping you create better funnels, it actually increases your likelihood of success by 10-fold. You're not alone. You can join like-minded people and even become an expert yourself. This is key because the entrepreneurial life can be lonely. It can be hard. The voices from those who do not understand can drown out the voice that's telling us that this idea can make a difference in this world. At FunnelHacks, you're with your tribe, with family. You want to surround yourself with people who believe in you and in what you're building. Now, I know what you're thinking. If funnel building with books and software didn't work, why would this be any different? Well, the tricky thing here is carving out time for your business can be challenging. FunnelHacks gives you time and space to build your business. No distractions, no noise, no social media. Best of all, side-by-side help from successful entrepreneurs and funnel building experts. So I created this FunnelHacks meetup. You can experience the difference that comes from learning side-by-side with other successful business owners. You can experience firsthand in the very first session exactly what we're talking about with this side-by-side approach to creating your funnel. And so what this is going to do for you is help you build your first funnel in your very first meetup and show you how to get it launched. And I, as an evangelist and an advocate and an author and a coach, I've delivered thousands of hackathons in my life. I know how to make participants successful. I know how to get results. What I do is teach you how to use software programs like ClickFunnels and Canva and Zoom, all of these tools that are available to us to create businesses. I also know how to extend that knowledge that I have to you and ensure you achieve success. So what I've done is create this incredible FunnelHacks meetup where you can build a funnel from scratch or even follow a 30-day challenge and get dedicated help when you get stuck. If you click the link, you can sign up for the next funnel hack. I honestly don't know how much longer we'll keep this FunnelHacks meetup available, and prices will probably go up because there's only so many hackers that we can accept in each session. Seats are literally limited to the size of the room that we have and the number of experts we have available to help. So click the link today while it's still available and there's still spots. We're always here to help. I can't tell you all the amazing results we've gotten from men and women business owners just like you who are struggling with making that first $1 to $1,000 online. We also have a FunnelHacks community that you can join with recordings of past events and weekly Q&A calls, but I'm just talking about the meetup right now, which is amazing. I cannot wait to see you on the inside. I hope you have a great day.